it talks about a concept. Because basically what I'm trying to do with my poems, I'm trying to go in a journey of a man in search of a word. And for this word, I found appropriate to talk about life. You know, people have a lot of concepts, like how they can tell what's life, like the explanations of life. Well, for me, I call this one the service of life. Death and life are similar because we were born to die. I'll repeat this. Death and life are similar because we were born to die. And Asian prepares a lot of fucks and disappointments. So eventually, life will always be a bitch. But wait, procrastination gives us hope for a better tomorrow, as though it was promising reincarnation. But tell that to one of my friends who got perished for befriending his future. Ooh, hallelujah. And I'm still standing here scowling, saying fuck the concept of racism. For we dictate structures of our own subconscious, leaving our state of mind marginalized. So guess what? I'm standing in the way of my complexion. I'm opening doors for my ancestors. I'm banging on the drums of Badimu Bamahuana. Hala Allah, the moment is now. So excuse my vanity for my vicinity practicing success, as though slavery was never written in my history. Sitting in the church and telling the devil, till death do us apart, because eventually heaven awaits me. And the corrupted society would actually debate on how much to increase the education fee, dysfunction in the youth of the ability to see, and still having the guts to call us the born free. So freeze, we are under arrest for not resting enough and contemplating the root to our justice. So now we stand in justice and hope that time will always be on our side, because we were never told to serve time, but only the master. How ironic, for our principles are still stuck in schools of slavery. So the word is life. A wise man once told me this. In fact, my mother once told me this. The purpose of life is to live a life of purpose. Life is what you make it. So before everyone they fantasize on living, you better study for survival.